how to create a real Metatrader 4 account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a real Metatrader 4 account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply open the Metatrader 4 app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, it may ask you to open a demo account first. Now here you can simply skip it or you can proceed with it. So here you can just tap on accept if prompted, and after that on the next page you can just tap on open an account. And here once you do that, it will open the MetaTrader app. Now here in this section, you just have to tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on manage accounts. And now here in this section, you just have to tap on the plus icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here in this section, just tap on the option labeled as open a demo account. And now here in this section, you can simply tap on it, and here you simply have to enter your name, your phone number, your email, and after that you simply have to enter your account information, your leverage and your deposit. And once you're done with that, you can just tap on create account. And here once you do that, your MetaTrader 4 account will be created. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.